Today, we take you on a journey through one of the most iconic muscle cars ever created, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle. Its bold, aggressive front design, with the signature split grille and dual headlights, captures the true essence of American muscle. This isn't just a car, it's a legend. From every angle, the 1970 Chevelle's muscular lines and powerful stance demand attention. The metallic midnight blue finish reflects the showroom lights, highlighting the bold racing stripes on the hood that hint at the power beneath. The combination of chrome accents and aerodynamic design gave the Chevelle an unmistakable presence on the road, and it still turns heads today. At the heart of the 1970 Chevelle lies the iconic 454 cubic inch V8 engine, a beast capable of producing up to 450 horsepower. The raw power this engine delivers is what made the Chevelle a favorite among drag racers and muscle car enthusiasts alike. In this showroom, you can appreciate every polished component, from the valve covers to the intricate detailing of this finely engineered powertrain. Stepping inside the Chevelle, you're greeted with a blend of muscle and comfort. The leather bucket seats provide support, while the wood grain accents on the dashboard add a touch of luxury. Every detail in the interior reflects the craftsmanship of a time when driving was an experience. The classic Chevrolet logo on the steering wheel reminds you that this car was built for performance and style. Turn the key, and the Chevelle comes to life. The dashboard lights up, gauges displaying the potential that lies beneath the hood. In the showroom, you can almost feel the rumble of the engine through the steering wheel. This was a car designed to be driven, and every moment behind the wheel is an invitation to feel the power of the open road. Power is nothing without control, and the Chevelle's performance suspension and wide rear tires were built to handle all that horsepower. These iconic 5-spoke chrome wheels don't just look good, they help the Chevelle conquer the streets and the track alike. Every turn, every acceleration, is met with confidence, thanks to the engineering under this body. It's the little details that make the 1970 Chevelle so special. The SS badging is a reminder that this car was part of Chevrolet's Super Sport lineup, a badge that stood for speed, power, and prestige. The chrome bumpers and exhaust tips gleam under the showroom lights, and the Chevelle script on the rear leaves no doubt that this is a classic American muscle car. Through and through, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle is more than just a car, it's a symbol of power, performance, and passion. Decades later, it still represents the golden age of muscle cars. Its timeless design, roaring engine, and unmistakable presence make it a true automotive legend. This is the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle, a car that will forever be remembered as a king of the road.